I want to demonstrate for you what I mean by color coding. If we look at this man in the language of anatomy, and I were to label and color code this, what I would do is let me pick an area like the umbilical region. Since that's just one spot, I'm going to color it blue. I'm going to come over here to umbilical and I'm going to underline it blue, and I'm going to put a blue P out beside that. So that now my eyes go from blue word umbilical to P, which is blue, and then the umbilical, which is also blue. Let's go up here to the neck region. I'm going to color all of this neck region green. I'm going to come over here to cervical, and I'm going to underline cervical, and I'm going to put a green D out beside it. Let me do another one for you. Let's say that we are going to label the chest region, but I've already used my orange marker or colored pencil somewhere else. So what I can do in my chest region is I can do striped orange. So I'm going to come down here to thoracic, and I'm going to do striped orange, and that's going to be O. So I've used an orange, but it's a unique color pattern, striped orange. I've already used blue, but let me show you how I can use blue again. Let's go to the femur region. This upper thigh is the femur region. I've already used solid blue, so now I can do spotted blue. I can go over here to femur and do spotted by femur, and femur is F. So I'm color coding it. Each part gets another color pattern. Nobody's anatomical man, when they color code it, should look like anyone else's. Let me use red for you. Let's say the lumbar, the small of the back. Maybe I want to do curlicue red on the small of the back. And the small of the back is lumbar, so I would go over here and put curlicue red. So this is I. So I can use dotted blue, striped blue, curlicue blue, squared blue, bullseye blue, solid blue, outline blue. So with 8 colors, I can create 32 unique patterns. Why is color coding so important? Well, now, after I've finished my labeling, I can say, oh, I don't know what that dotted blue structure is. I can't remember it. My eyes go right over to the dotted blue femoral word on the page. I don't have to search up and down the whole words looking for which one is F. I can go straight from dotted blue to dotted blue, and that connects synapses in your brain. So anytime you have a picture in the pre-lab, I want it color-coded so that when you send me either a scanned version of it or a picture of it, I see the unique color coding. Let me turn over to the second page. So in this anatomical regions, each one of the 9 anatomical regions would be a different color pattern. Blue, blue striped, red polka dot, each a unique pattern. On this picture, each one of these planes would be a different color. Maybe the mid-sagittal plane can be red. Maybe the frontal or coronal plane could be blue. And maybe the transverse plane could be green. Each one of them is a different color pattern. That is color coding. Please contact me if you have any other questions.